Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ayesha here, and I am back with another of my videos. I know I am a bit late, so yes, sorry for the delay. I was like stuck in something. So, in this video, it is very clear it is about contouring and concealing. So, let's jump in the video without further ado. Also, I have tried to make contour something easy for the beginners because I myself, being a beginner, it was a challenge for me to do so. So I was like, I needed to find something useful and something really quick and easy to adapt. So I hope you find this video useful, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I have moisturized my face. The moisturizer that I usually use is this sun. So you need to really ace the basics to ace your base. So yeah, after doing my primer is really important. After that, we'll be doing concealing. Yeah, in this video I'll conceal my marks first because I have had so much of scars. My scars are so evident, as you can see, and I have also had, like, this one is a burned mark. I was allergic to something and it did just happen. So yeah, we'll be covering them up very slightly, not much. You don't have to apply too much of product, and then what you have to do is just simply blend it with a damn beauty blender. It is that simple. I have blended my concealer, as you can see, and then I'll just wait a little bit so that it just dries up. Because the next thing we'll be doing is putting a foundation, and I don't want to be like layering it up, so it'll be वो अच्छे से set हो जाएगा. Okay, we'll be putting a foundation. I'm having so much of lighting issues and focusing issues. And then just put it all around my face and my neck area, and then blend. I have been having so much of issues lately because I don't know, I have always had like a flawless skin. Without, I had small bumps, but they were like really, you know noticeable. And during this, when I really wanted to start a YouTube channel, that was the time I started getting these, and I was like, why is this happening? So yeah, अभी maybe ऐसा appear हो रहा होगा कि it is giving a white cast, but it is not. You just have to wait for the end results, and trust me on this, guys. Every little blemish, every big, from big to small, everything would be concealed, and you yourself would be like, sure. You have seen my skin in the beginning. I have so many dark spots. Even they were like burn marks on my skin. So yeah, you need to be like a little bit patient with the blending, because blending is the key. You have to really blend it nicely onto your skin. You can see it is starting to look very seamless, and yeah, this requires a lot of patience. So don't hurry and don't drag your this beauty blender. This works wonders if you just know the tips and tricks. That's it. So this is done, our foundation, and the next step is a concealer. I'm gonna conceal again. Yes, and this is what I'm gonna conceal. You don't have to do too much. Avoid doing too much of concealer because they make crease and make your makeup look cakey, which we don't want. This is it. Only a little bit of amount is needed, and yeah, some more over here again, because we want that really full coverage look. And some more here, some over here, and here. Yeah. We are good to go. I'll just blend this up, and then yeah. After this, I am going to be applying my contour. People are really like very, even I myself didn't knew what is contouring about, but it is easy once you know how it is done. So you have to do this like this is your cheek, you know, like this is the part I want you to contour. Can you just see? You just have to draw this line, and then over here the same. Some people like doing it like a tree, but it just depends on your face and your structure, what you want to do. So I would really say don't go too much onto your skin. You need to see how it's going, how much your skin needs, and then this. This is it. This is all you need to do it, and after that the thing is that we have to blend everything in, and you'll just see what happens. So I've already like baked my face and I've really blended it in, and you can see it is quite evident how my skin is like looking a bit sloughed, and it need you need some steps, and then it'll really look like that. We'll just make it with a brush that has tapered end, and we will just, I have this contour in my palms and I just mix it with a brush, and then I'll go here. Make sure you do this and then move it upward side in the branch of it. Here some, then some blush, and this is where you apply your blush. This is our contour, and this is where your blush should always be. Not too much, not too less, because blush really makes you look beautiful and pink and fresh. So I never really skip blush. This is, you go in upward direction. This is the direction that you will be going. That will be like aligned to your contour. I hope it is quite visible here. And don't get like scared of my baking. I have let it set. After a while it will set, and this will make your makeup stay long. So yeah, I think so. This was a video about how you contour and conceal. So I'm not going really heavy with my eyes and all. I'll be doing a really soft sort of a nude makeup on my eyes. I just picked up this brown mauve shade. I'll just show you people what is this. This was the shade brown mauve. It is really beautiful. Looks good. And then I'll quickly do my brows. If you want to know how I do my brows, there's in my previous videos, I'll put up the link. You can see how I do a brows. I have shown in a very precise manner how you can do your brows. I don't know why, what is happening with me. I am just, I think it's quite a time. I'll just remove the baked. Okay. I'm not really doing too much to the eyes because this was not a video for our eye makeup. This was for the look, how to conceal and all that thing. After that, I'll just quickly do my liner. Let me know if you want a separate video regarding how to do liner, because I think not many people know how to do it. It is a bit confusing and difficult how far we have come, and I think I am really liking this look. And then just we'll move on to highlighting, which is absolutely everyone's favorite and mine as well. So yeah, let's do it. There's never any certain limit to how much you want yourself to shine. I am always like, I really don't have any limit when it comes to highlighters, because I really love highlighting and seeing my skin shine, and yeah, it really just feels good. Done with it, and then we'll move on to the highlighter that I use is this Precious Petals, which is by Wet n Wild. This is very beautiful highlighter. I can swear by this. I don't know if it's really visible. You can see how this is looking. Wow. On my nose. Here. You can add more, and you can add wherever you want it. Anywhere. Lipstick that I'll be wearing today is this by Hilary Rhoda, and it is in the shade 203 Hazelnut. It is such a pretty color. I can see. Very pretty, and it just looks so beautiful on the lips. So I'll quickly just put on my setting spray and show you how this look has turned out to be. So yeah, I am ready with my look. I have just combed my hair and make sure it looks presentable enough. This is how my makeup looks. This is how dewy and very nude it appears to be, and it is. You can see my contour and you can really differentiate between the me that was in the beginning and me that you have come across throughout the day. I hope I can be of some help to you in order to make your contour, be easier to do. So yeah, if you think this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, press the bell icon on the top so that you will be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. I have just linked my Facebook, my Instagram, everything, so you can easily connect to me. So yeah, this was it. We won't be taking more of your time. Thank you.